Alright guys, by now you've probably watched a few of the videos and have gotten used to finding the patterns that we use to trade, identifying them on your chart. So what I'd like to do is focus on what I call PPAs, or pivot point areas. Alright, now these areas are quite important and we use them in conjunction with our trading patterns. Now we trade our patterns off the 4-hour chart, but for the pivot point areas, or the PPAs, we look to the monthly and the weekly chart. So what you're looking at now is a monthly euro-dollar chart. Now you can see the dark line at the top is the ultimate high that we've had. It's the highest this currency's ever been, and down the bottom here is the lowest it's ever been. So those are the big solid lines that I've put in. In between though, we've got logical areas, and I'm talking about really obvious areas, guys, of where the euro dollar has been before and has had problems. As you can see there, that's a really logical area that it's had, and it's zoned in between those areas for a while. There we can see the next logical area. Now just outside your screen to the side here, there's another area that points to this line. There's the area there, there's the area there again, and so that's a logical, obvious line to have in price action zone or pivot point area. There's another one, and so on up the chart. Now these are the ones I have in my personal chart, and what I do is we use them to trade off. It gives us a trade area to execute our trades off when we get our valid patterns. And so you can even do this on a weekly chart. Pull up, there's my weekly chart for you, and they'll have slightly different ones to the monthly chart, but some of them will correspond, most of them in fact, and then some will be slightly different. This is a more refined one. But you need to know on the monthly and the weekly charts where your zones are, where the PPAs are, so that when you get near those areas, you're looking for setups that confirm that you're either going to get a bounce or a break of these areas.